We are the Urban Farming Institute. Our mission is to show you how easy it is to produce your own food. I'm here to show you what to do with that harvest.
My name is Diana. I'm going to show you 2 ways to cut a mango. Each mango has a very large pit in the center of it. On each side, you'll see these whiter sides. These are called the cheeks. We're going to try to cut as close to the pit as we possibly can. We're going to cut around the pit and cut off both of those cheeks. Oh, too close. So we got to scoot over a little bit. Cut that second cheek. And then cut off as close to the pit as you can. There's that large pit in the middle that we're going to get rid of. So for this method, I'm going to dice the mango. And scoop. A large number of people have an allergy to mango flesh. You want to make sure you get all that mango flesh off of the mango. For our second method, we're going to start by peeling the mango so we can get some nice thin strips of mango. Now we have our peeled mango. We're going to slice the sides. Get around that pit. So now we have that giant pit in the middle that we can just toss out. There you are. Slice it up. This is good for your strips. If you want strips of mango for a salad, then you have your nice thin strips of mango.